Hey, growth addicts, have you ever found yourself making more money but still feeling broke? It hurts so bad. You're not alone. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle creep, where the more you earn, the more you spend, often without realizing it. Today, we're diving deep into why this happens, how it affects your financial future, and most importantly, how to break free from this cycle. You see, this lifestyle creep happens when your income increases, but instead of saving or investing, your expenses rise just as fast. What used to be a luxury suddenly feels like a necessity. A bigger house, a fancier car, more expensive vacations. Before you know it, you're living paycheck to paycheck again, just at a higher level. The share of households living paycheck to paycheck has grown since 2019. Around 35% of households earning less than $50,000 a year are struggling financially, up from 32% in 2019. But here's the kicker, even higher income households aren't immune. Yes, you heard right, it's no different. About 20% of households earning over $150,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. This proves that the issue isn't always about how much you make, but how you manage your money. I want you to know that one major reason people fall into this trap is social pressure. We are heavily influenced by our social groups, geographic location, and the people we interact with daily. The more we see others upgrading their lifestyles, the more we feel the need to keep up. But here's the truth. Financial security comes from spending less than you earn, not from matching other people's lifestyles. You want to secure your future, not please them. The key to overcoming lifestyle creep is becoming confident in your financial goals and resisting the pressure to upgrade just because others are doing it. Another hidden culprit behind lifestyle creep is insecurity. Many people believe that their self-worth is tied to what they own. This insecurity is what makes us spend money on things we don't actually need, whether it's a luxury bag, an expensive car, or designer clothes. This same insecurity extends beyond finances. It seeps into how we view our bodies and appearances. Social media constantly bombards us with images of perfect bodies, making us believe we need miracle products to achieve unrealistic beauty standards. Want to know the truth? Most influencers have access to personal trainers, dietitians, and even cosmetic procedures that make them look the way they do. This could be from some partnership deals, which they sometimes don't fund themselves, yet many people fall into the trap of spending thousands on fitness programs, supplements, and skincare routines that promise instant results. A study by Lending Tree found that over a quarter of Gen Z and 17% of millennials are driven by social media influencers to spend money on fitness and nutrition. Additionally, 38% of millennials and 41% of Gen Z have gone into debt due to fitness-related expenses. And it doesn't stop there. A Journal of Organizational Behavior study found that those who negotiate their salaries earn $5,000 more on average. When you don't believe in your own worth, you're less likely to ask for what you deserve, whether that's a higher salary or better financial opportunities. Over a lifetime, failing to negotiate could cost you up to $750,000 in lost earnings. Honestly, spending money can be addicting. Studies show that 76% of emotional spenders admit that overspending has led them into debt. Marketers know this and constantly push products that promise to fix our insecurities, whether it's a new outfit, a trendy gadget, or a must-have beauty product. But here's the harsh reality. No amount of shopping will make you feel truly secure. Self-confidence isn't found in a store, it's built over time by making intentional decisions about your life and finances. So, how do you take back control? Here are a few actionable steps that I am certain will set you up for financial growth and security. Firstly, set clear financial goals. Define your long-term financial vision. Are you saving for a home, building an emergency fund, investing for retirement? Let these goals guide your spending decisions. Next step for you is to ensure that you live below your means. No matter how much your income increases, keep your expenses in check. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. Furthermore, stop comparing yourself to others. Remember, financial success isn't about impressing others. It's about building wealth and security for yourself. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Will this bring me long-term value? Also, invest in yourself instead of stuffs. Rather than spending on material things, invest in skills, education, and experiences that will improve your financial future. Moreover, negotiate your worth. Advocate for yourself at work. A simple salary negotiation can have a massive impact on your lifetime earnings. At the end of the day, lifestyle creep is a silent wealth killer, but the good news is you have the power to stop it. The key is self-awareness, discipline, and focusing on what truly matters. So let's hit the financial gym and build some real wealth. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put a comment in the section below. See you in the next video. Remember, let's grow together.